Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You first confirm that you have YouTube Music Premium. Background play is gated behind Premium. Once confirmed, update the app and turn off battery saver so playback won't be killed. Make sure background app refresh or background data is enabled in your device settings. Open YouTube Music and start a track now. Don't pause. This initial play registers the app with system audio controls. Once done, keep the app running in foreground while you prepare the next configuration steps. Next, you enable the app's background mode. Open YouTube Music settings and set background play to always or headphones only depending on preference. On Android, go to System App Settings and allow picture-in-picture for YouTube Music so you can float or continue audio when switching apps. On iOS, make sure background app refresh is on for YouTube Music and that Control Center audio controls appear. Also exclude the app from battery optimization or low power restrictions so the system doesn't stop playback. Finally, test by locking your device or switching to another app. Playback should continue and show in the lock screen and notification shade. Use those controls to pause, skip, or change volume. If you're on desktop, minimize the browser or use a background-capable browser and the audio keeps playing. If audio stops, first check and disable battery saver, clear YouTube Music cache, sign out and back in, and confirm the app is up to date. That single troubleshooting step often restores reliable background playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.